What do you invest in if you're worried about inflation as an American? So I think that like part of the reason I've always loved real estate is because I think that the US fundamentally our asset classes to address inflation are laughable. They are laughable. Anyone in the market who's like, okay, I'll ask this question just because we have never had this conversation. What do you invest in if you're worried about inflation as an American?
Real estate.
Okay, not you. You know how to invest in real estate. What do you invest in if you're worried about investing and you're not Spencer Sutton? Assuming you're not a real estate operator, what do you do if you're worried about inflation?
I don't know. What do you do?
People buy gold.
Yeah, that's right. They do
Right?
buy precious
That's
metals.
become kind of standard U.S.
right.
standard retirement advice. They're like, just buy gold
That's right. That's true.
because you can make you can make like a commission by selling gold, right? And because none of the other asset classes in modern portfolio theory adjust well for inflation at all. In fact, as people get older in the US, they have 100% of their portfolio, right? When they're young, it's like 70% stocks, 30% bonds, right? As they get older, modern portfolio theory says move more and more of that into bonds, right? So then they're like 70% bonds, 30% stocks. And you know what asset class does the absolute freaking worst in an inflationary environment?
Bonds do.
They get
They get
murdered.
hammered.
Like murdered. Like you put your assets here because they were safe, not from inflation. Right? They were never safe from inflation. You just didn't realize that inflation was a specter that could exist. And so, in my opinion, yeah, real estate has to be part of the equation, right?